guys, welcome back to my channel. So these are not my clothes, by the way, but today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my emergency fidget pack. So it's in this bag. I took it all out, so I don't need to take it out of the bag, but it's like in this bag. Look at the zipper, it's kind of cool. So first thing that's in it is this Among Us blue tire puppet. Then this circle title puppet. Then this last but not least, bear puppet. Then I have two monkey noodles, like medium-sized ones. Not mini, but medium-sized. DIY tangle, real tangle, and then a triple dimple. I'll do some ASMR with this real quick. Yeah. But then it's this not in the bag, but I found this. It's an LED remote, but I don't have LED next to it, so I use that as like a puppet, DIY puppet. Yeah. Well, that's all for today's video. Bye guys.